Kumsi Bynta ban rakhe kasni kerpang kami Mariang, hene kasni kahnyau tarik ujeliu arjar arpuar la penong ka program World Environment Week arjar arpuar, hapelau juga State Central Library, hakabarai Bynta lang ikena school na ki school bapher juga jela. Hakani kasni rayo ka jing Thung Dieng na Myntri Rangbah ka jela Conrad ki Sangma, ubade ukongsan hakani kasni harangkat ka jinga dan lang ki head officer ka sorkar, batlabut da ka program hapo juga susu tham auditorium. Hakani kasni raya dan lang Myntri Katanat Forest and Environment Usri James P.K. Sangma, ke Chief Secretary jangka Sorkar Jela ke Kong Alvi Suchiang, CEO ke Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, Sampat Kumar lembat kiwe. Hakani kasni la pelaj ke Forest Management Plans da Myntri Rangbah ke Jela, banakalyang James Sangma ula penpau ya ke jingsngo kemen banyo Asian Bynta hakani ke program.
I am indeed really honored to be part of this program, and I feel extremely proud this morning because today, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, what we are looking at in our state is something which many people may not have realized, but I want to place this on record here, that for many long years we've had celebrations marking World Environment Day, which would be a one-day program, a program marked with tokenism, with a lot of sloganism, with tree plantations. But what we are looking at today is something very remarkable when it comes to the environment, when it comes to protecting it and conserving it, is that there is this move away from tokenism, sloganism, which we've been seeing through many years, and the action has started. The first point I would like to mention here is that this is not a one-day program where we are celebrating our planet, Mother Earth or Mother Nature, but this is a week-long program. And really, I'm so thankful to your Honorable Chief Minister. By giving it that kind of importance of having a week-long program,